think they realize how much you can save by categorizing, like compartmentalizing certain things into post, right? So like, I will never fix a shot in post. If something's messed up or broken, it stays broken.
Right.
Like, that's because that's what you got. So we don't, when I say that line of like, yeah, don't leave anything for post, it's because I try to get as much in camera as I possibly can. Mm-hmm. When it comes to sound though, that's where the common misconception is. Everybody thinks that they've got room mics and they catch a whole room and they get every little sound, and then they go and they take that whole big sound file and they try to tweak it so the voices sound good, but then the background sounds trash, and they keep going back and forth. And really the way it's actually done on professional films is you get dialogue for sound, and they only get room tone so they can keep the dead air level even for Foley. And then Foley actually recreates everything and isolates just the vocals. So when you hear somebody chewing a sandwich, or you hear them sliding something across the table, or even just rubbing their shirt, like that's a Foley artist doing that in an actual film studio, like for an actual major production.
Gotcha.
And a lot of people are afraid of that. And like, it's kind of weird because you'll add footsteps, but you won't add a shirt rustle.
Right,
like,
right. I guess it doesn't make sense, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So like, to me, it's one of those things where it's like, the big thing that gets saved in post are the things that you don't have to worry about on set. So if all we're worried about is dialogue, I can care less what's going on set. If there's a band playing on the outside, if we didn't get room tone, like I don't care about any of that, because I'm literally going to take it and create a room after the fact.
Gotcha.
And so if I think I'm in a diner, I'm going to get sound samples from a diner. I'm going to look at a couple of websites that I know, like Epidemic Sound has like amazing stuff from like individual people, and I'll take something from there, or I'll take my recorder a different day and I'll go and I'll sit in a diner and I'll just record it.
Yeah.
And get all the sound from there. And
that's
like,
cool.
A free way to do it.
The curation part is what makes it sound cinematic. And to me, it's like, if I could do it in post and build exactly what I want,
why not do that?
And get it to sound the quality that we want it to sound like, why would I waste my time that I could be getting a better performance from the actors, or actually filming this shot way better on the day of, instead of wasting my time having to allocate time to that. And it's the same thing with like color. Like, we shoot a very, very flat profile.
Right.
And so when I get there, I can have 6, 7, 8 different colored versions of the film, and every single one of them would look different. And it's because of the way I shoot day of. So I don't sacrifice anything physical in there. The film and the shots that we get, the angles and everything, there's no post. You have to do it there. If the camera's shaking, the camera's shaking. If it's steady, it's steady.
Right.
But the color, the sound,
those are things. Yeah.
Those are all things post.